We believe that in an era of increasing uncertainty, and the arrival of pre-trained generative transformers, GPTs, that critical thinking is vital for every future thinker and decision maker to have in their basic, everyday toolkit. Sadly, this is not well taught or expected today, with the result that many important decisions are made without due thinking process. Consequences are not properly considered and general consensus is lacking, so meets with resistance. Strategic foresight, design, and systems thinking are now so complicated that much training and long experience is required to be effective. The uncertainty of doing these costly and time-consuming projects with no guarantee of success means that most times, people resort to what they know, gut feelings, and seat-of-the-pants decisions, or can only use a few of the available tools. So, we have worked hard to create an AI that can handle strategic foresight, design, and systems thinking for you on any topic and produce a comprehensive report, integrating over 150 foresight tools in just a few hours. The drop-down here guides you to the report section, so whatever role you play, or area of interest, you can quickly focus on emerging change, its implications, and potential futures. We continue to improve this leading-edge service. I'm not going to teach you critical thinking in this video. Nor am I going to walk you through the various methods. These are both self-explanatory. However, we have made our report the meat in the sandwich with the bread being surveys and critical thinking tools surrounding it. It's essential that you use critically thinking when determining any actions you might take from reading the report. GPTs can get things wrong, though we have worked hard to minimize that. AI prediction here is not the same as human judgment. Critical thinking helps you, and your associates, to oversee the AI's predictions, and not to just rely on the report. All you have to do is to select the methods that suit your purpose and work with them to input or evaluate yours, and your associates, beliefs and views too, for better answers. In this way, you can use the drop-down surveys to guide the report's production, either on your own or with a collective view of your associates. And you can complete the sandwich by using the drop-down critical thinking tools after the report's production. This will quickly help you to determine the right decisions you should make, armed with almost all the evidence needed to be sure of your ground. The AI has also completed its own critical thinking in the summary section of the report, and has self-assessed your query, including any bias and missing information. Running the AI again using its post-report analysis, your own and your associates' critical thinking findings will further improve its advice. By the way, you need not just use the critical thinking tools here. They are suitable for any decision you make, however tactical, especially those where you face a dilemma or a go-no-go decision, etc. So practicing these tools here will teach you how to better make many future decisions that you will face in your life. Do try it out. Our team have been using these tools for over 50 years to make great, collective decisions. You now can too. And, if you are still unsure and need help facilitating a workshop, we are here to help. Just contact us below. Best wishes, Alexis. Thanks for watching, and good luck in anticipating your tomorrows.